First, I heat up the pan, add a little cooking oil, and a pat of butter. Once the butter has melted and starts to release its aroma, I add the chicken thighs to the pan, one by one. Lightly sprinkle salt. And pepper on top. After a few minutes, when the skin has started to turn golden and crispy, I flip them over and season with a little more salt and pepper. If this is your first time watching my video, please leave a comment below with a greeting from your country. It's wonderful that we're connected from all over the world. Alright, now that the chicken is evenly golden on both sides, I remove it from the pan and set it aside. Next, I use the same pan to make the vegetable rice. I start with diced carrots. Carrots not only add a beautiful colour, but are also rich in vitamin A, which is good for your eyes and skin. When stir-fried, they have a mild sweetness and are very easy to eat. Next, we add red onions. Then comes garlic, which not only enhances the aroma, but also offers health benefits, particularly its natural antibacterial properties. Scallions provide a light, refreshing flavour that helps balance out the other ingredients. Sweet peppers are both visually appealing and rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, making the dish look fresh and more appetizing. Next, I add enoki mushrooms. You can substitute them with any other type of mushroom, as long as you like them. I also add snow peas and sweet corn to the pan. At this point, the pan is full of vibrant colours, making it quite a sight to behold. For me, this vegetable component alone makes the dish feel more complete. Not only is it delicious, but it also gives me a sense of reassurance when eating. I season it with salt and ground black pepper. Then add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Finally, I add a few strands of saffron, just a little bit, but it gives the dish a very distinctive aroma. Once the vegetables have started to soften, I add 1 cup of basmati rice, stirring briefly to let the rice absorb the seasonings. Then, I chop some green onions and add them, giving everything a quick stir. Now, the dish is nearing its final step. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see the final result. Finally, I pour the entire mixture into a baking dish. Then add about 1 cup of chicken broth. On top, I arrange the fried chicken thighs over the layer of rice. Place the dish in the oven. And bake at 190 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. During this process, the rice will gradually cook, absorbing the broth and flavours from the chicken, while the chicken skin on top will continue to brown and become even more fragrant. When done, I remove the baking sheet. At this point, the aroma is very distinct. A blend of roasted chicken, spices, and vegetables. Finally, I arrange it on a plate. One side features crispy golden chicken thighs, and the other side features flavorful rice and vegetables. It's a well-rounded dish, offering meat, carbohydrates, and vegetables perfect for a satisfying, flavorful meal that's also nutritious for your health. So don't miss out on this recipe for your kitchen. See you in my next videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.